Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. Today video also the premium quality, lightweighted, affordable price point and premium quality soft tussar material saree. Welcome to Vastranand. You can explore our website. You received more than 4,500 plus designs and ready to ship different traditional designs, elegant fabric and premium quality and affordable price point. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS both device. Our application are live now. Let's start the video. In first product you will see the darker green color combination with very beautifully crafted the Kalamkari designs in entire the panel part, and upper parts you will see the very beautifully small bandage type print and entire the body in a digitally format. Let me show you the pallu detailing. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted the heritage theme inspired designs with a very beautifully small size elephant designs and royal heritage theme inspired designs in a C panel part pallu with a very beautifully crafted the green color combination resin tassels part. If I talk about this material, then you receive the premium quality soft tussar material. Here you can see the softness of this saree, lightweighted saree. Saree you received at just ₹999 free shipping all over India. This is perfect for the upcoming festival seasons like Batkama and Deepavali. Here you can see the skirt part. Here you receive the half and half concept, total 3 layer designs. Upper parts you receive the khicha print as well as views. With the middle parts you receive the bandage pattern, and below parts you receive the very beautifully crafted the printed storytelling designs. Here you can see the closely the very beautifully crafted the elephant, king and audience designs and entire the storytelling designs in entire the body part. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the smaller designs of the geometric designs with ikat fusions in entire the printed blouse piece. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing. If you like our collection, then like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. We are launching daily 4 to 5 different catalogs via Instagram page and one master catalog in our YouTube channel. So must be subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page. If you need to see our entire collection via video call shopping, then video call shopping facility also available right now. So you can connect one day before our customer care number and you can explore our very beautifully sarees via video call facility. Let's start the last but not the least, the lavender color combination with the same concept, different design, different storytelling designs, and upper parts you receive a different checks pattern in a bandage fusions as well as Lucknowi print and entire the upper part of this body part. Here you can see the C type pallu with an elegant purple color combination resin tassels part. Here you can see the full look of this saree. This full print you received in pallu part. Here you can see the upper part of this saree with a negative print as well as and royal king storytelling, king with queen designs and entire the panel parts with ikat print. Here you can see the skirt part. In this saree also you receive the 3 layers designs. Upper parts you receive the plain designs, middle parts you receive the geometric with a Lucknowi style print in bandage fusions, and below parts you receive the Kalamkari designs. This royal storytelling saree you received at just ₹999 free shipping all over India. Here you can see the same color combination, the printed blouse piece. Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.